Almost the whole crowd was in tears just then. It feels very emotional for us to see you win so many awards, but best album, that must be a massive thing.
Yes. Sorry. It's making a second album. We've never done it before, and it's just we put a lot into it, and it's been the kind of year where it's kind of like gone off into the void, and like we haven't necessarily been able to do as much like playing it in front of people as we kind of expected, and it just means a lot that it is still kind of finding a way to connect with people, and that it just really means a lot.
It truly means a lot. Your whole album is, best album is a whole concept. It's the whole thing. So well done. It's a beautiful project. Jonathan, how are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm speechless and overwhelmed, and reflecting on the year and the what we thought that would happen, and when we sort of just sat on a beach in March and said, is this an album that we can put out right now, and are we happy with the album going out into the world how it is and how it's going to be? And I couldn't be happier in this moment with the decision and how it's played out.
Life is pretty funny and unpredictable, isn't it? How are you guys feeling?
Pretty overwhelmed. It's I think like winning best group feels really special. It's just 2 words, but it means a lot.
Just very grateful to still be playing music this year, let alone get to come and celebrate with all the other artists tonight. So it's pretty huge for me that this is all still going on.
New Zealand makes the best music in the world. I think we all firmly believe that, and we feel really proud and really humbled, and just there's so many amazing musicians here tonight. Doesn't feel right really that we won.
You'll wake up tomorrow and realise how amazing it is too.
Yeah, it doesn't really feel real, I think.
Congratulations. I feel so proud of you guys. It's so exciting.
Thanks, Charlotte. We love you. We love RNZ so much, and